Attention townhouse and apartment strata owners. Milani can offer great group discounts for you and your strata. Today we're in beautiful Vancouver and we're starting a big job at a townhouse complex where we're switching over 8 owners from electric baseboards to new heat pumps. Let me walk you through the job and show you what we're doing. So we're in the master bedroom of this townhouse, and this customer has electric baseboards right now, and they're looking to install a ductless split. Mike's working on this one right now. So Mike, do you want to just tell us a little bit about what you're doing?
So right now we've got the ductless split hung up, and then we got to run the line sets down and through out into the exterior wall.
Right. So all these lines, the refrigerant lines, the condensation lines will go back outside. Yeah. This will be covered, and will the customer see any of this, or this will be covered after?
Once this is all done, the drywall goes back up. All the line sets, everything is hidden behind the wall, so hence coming through the holes here. And then so once you get it, it's just going to be like you had your wall just as before, with obviously the header up top.
So right now we're on the top floor of this townhouse, and they're looking to install a ductless split in their top room. As I'm sure you probably know, the heat rises, so this is one of the hottest rooms in the house. So Matthew, can you tell us a little bit about what you're installing right now?
Yeah, I'm installing the ductless main split.
Yeah.
So we are installing the head now. So we are first installing the bracket,
yeah,
and we make the hole, and the line set pass through here, and the condensation water going through here too.
Got it. So the line set, the refrigerant, and the condensation runs through this wall to the outside.
Outside, yeah.
Gotcha, gotcha. And once you're finished, all you'll see is the ductless split.
Yeah.
You won't see the hole, you won't see anything like that?
After that we install done, we will properly weatherproof, sealed properly. So we are...
Awesome. Thanks, Matthew. Yeah. So we just finished up here at a strata complex in Vancouver, beautiful Vancouver here, and we finished the basement strata unit as well as the upstairs strata unit. So you can see the 2 different condensers that we have outside, and I know in these stratas space can be a little bit tight. One of the outdoor condensers serves the downstairs unit. So this line set or line set cover goes all the way into their living room, into the master bedroom, and also into their kids' room, all powered by one outdoor unit. Behind it is the second condenser, which is for a different suite. So separate electrical, separate power, so 2 separate units, 2 separate condensers, and 2 separate line sets run. So we run the refrigerant line in these covers all the way up to those rooms. And then these covers are totally weatherproof. So rain, as you can see right now, snow and sun. So if you're in a strata complex, apartment or townhouse complex, and you have questions about switching from electric baseboards to heat pumps, and you wanna know more, give us a call. We offer free, no obligation estimates, and we even work with the strata from A to Z to help you get these installed. In this case, they were able to take advantage of a great group rate where multiple owners got heat pumps installed, and they're switching from electric baseboards to the heat pump.